Right, I got another update for TSLA. TSLA is another setup. I'm going to talk about phase one and phase two. But before I talk about that, this day here on the 3rd was a great winning day for us. As it confirmed on this day, and this made, and I have this documented in the video, of about 300% gains, one day. And this is the day here because of the strength of this move. So at the end of the video, you're going to see it posted, so you can see it, take a look at that perfect setup, and it called out on my stream and everything. But this trade won't be as easy this time. But let's talk about this, all the facts here, and see that after the that'll be talking about stuff that's not you don't see, that you don't see typed up in the boxes here. So TSLA is set up to test 316 to 322, or as high as 330 for phase one. Could even be a little bit better. Okay, and I believe that that's the next setup in order for it to get to the higher prices in time, longer term, which would be phase two, which is 380 to 380 to 400. So there's a lot of potential. There are going to be a lot of trades to be made in Tesla, and again, more for the upside than anything else. The stock has been. Think about this. We made a strong gain, right? And it's still higher from this day's close, which was the April the 3rd, right? Isn't that amazing? So what do we need to do to get into this now? Tesla needs to break above 306 on some good action volume. And good action volume is 1 million on a 10-minute chart. One thing about Tesla is it's either going to move a lot or we're going to chop. And $2, $3, $4 moves are nothing for Tesla, right? When Tesla really wants to make, it tries to make 10, 13, $14 moves in a day. And of course you get the really great days when it does $25, right? But a simple $5 move is really just considered a chop day, and that's what it did. After that, it just kind of it did some chopping day. See, it went down, back up, right? And so what's strong about the stock is that after making such strong gains, it's held its gains, it's keeping its gains. This is the kind of action of a stock that wants higher. And again, this is validated by the visionary lines that I look at. All right, now in case we don't get the volume, where right now, especially for the Mondays trade, is where 308 is another resistance area, and either they might stop it there, right? So this is one of those trades where you need to be quick, right? If you're making profits, you always want to take profits, either sometimes depending on the action, 50%, right, protect profits, to 100% gains on the option. So if they happen to double, I then remove half and hold the other half as runners, and I hold the runners as long as everything acts well. The key is to understand that this is setting up the pop up higher. They may need to relax it a couple of more days, right? This is Tesla here, and it's going to do what it's going to want to do. Okay, but in case it wants to move right now, as it stands, this 306 area is one of the key points, and then of course 308. I'll make other updates as well if need be. We'll see how this works out on Monday. Let's go look at the options right now, people. So here we are at the Yahoo Finance, and Tesla closed at 302.54. So Friday was kind of a weak, choppy day, yet Tesla was very strong. Another indication this thing wants higher. It's just a matter of which data is want to pop it, and there's where we use our confirmation system and action signals to enter. So this week we're going to be using the April for this week. We'll be using the April coming up this week coming up, this April 13 calls, and so here's the 315 calls right here, and they're trading pretty good. You can see there's good trading action happening here. I mean, I saw that myself. You got a pretty tight spread for Tesla here. You got to realize that with options here, you're controlling 100 shares of this monster. You don't own, but you're controlling, right? For about $115 per option, which is 100 shares, right? So you buy 10 options. There's your, for about, and this is an estimate. Now, obviously, it's going to be a bit more than that, but we'll just say this will be $1,000 $1,150. That's if you bought it at this price, these options, right? But obviously, when this confirms, this could be around $1.60, $1.70. I'm not too sure, but we'll find out, right? Because don't forget, this doesn't move around, and maybe we don't even confirm on Monday. We might confirm on Tuesday. The plan is you need to have a plan. If I need to make an adjustments, I will be posting a Power Trigger trade on StockTwits or on Twitter, right? Because it goes to both spots. All right, if you like these plans and you want to see a lot more plans, I just put up a plan for SWKS and WDC this weekend. You can check those plans out. I like WDC. I think this is a really good, really high odds setup right here, if it could confirm. Again, the video where, let me show you something. So this video here, where I explain this video here, the Tesla 300% gains in options in one day. You're going to see that video at the end of this video. It's going to pop up over here, so you can simply click on that to see that. But it's called, if you want to see it, it's called Power Trigger Trade Explains the Tesla 300% gains in options in one day. You'll see that. You can look through that in the upload section. Okay, in case you miss it. Now, if you want to subscribe and you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, see the Sandro Power Trigger Trade. It's going to appear here, around this area here in a circle format. Simply click on it, and it'll give you an easy way to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm going to be making, I'm going to be posting if stuff confirms on Power Trigger Trade, and you can follow that on Twitter. Here's my link. So having this, you have great links to my website. A lot of great information, especially on this website, people. So there you have it. There's so much great stuff here happening at Power Target Trades. If you're serious about making money in the market, you want to study. You don't need to take the trades. Study the videos, people. Confirmation is key. But you want to really follow my stream. So there you have it. A great video update for TSLA. Thanks for listening. Like video.